friends, I am at the Royal Enfield showroom at Waitila and I am here to test ride the Interceptor 650, but unfortunately the bike is at the service station, so I will be test riding the GT-650. Hands-on GT-650, and the instrument cluster is somewhat similar to the one that we see on Tractor. The bike has a super sound. It really sounds very well, and shifted to the first gear and the way the bike pulls, it has got enough power within. Speaking about the engine, I feel that the engine is highly refined because I can't feel even a slightest vibrations on my hand or any part. Let's see at higher speed. Speaking about the mirrors, these are the mirrors similar to the old Royal Enfield's bike, nothing much different. Highly stable and it's very easy to control. Commuting through traffic is not a big task for this bike, but this bike heats up a lot. I could feel the slightest heat onto my leg. Sound of the horn is somewhat similar to the other Enfield bikes. Keeping the bike on side stand is a bit difficult because first we have to pull the foot peg up, then only we can keep the stand down. Riding position on GT-650 is bit on committed side, while on Interceptor it's a relaxed upright position. And speaking about the shock ups of the bike, it's on softer side, so even if you are going through any bad roads, you will be feeling comfortable. Both of these bikes are of different segment. RR-310 is a sports focused bike, while the GT-650 or Interceptor 650 is a cruiser or performance bike. So comparing both these bikes is a wrong idea, but still, speaking about the engine of GT-650, I am really in love with the engine of the GT-650 or Interceptor 650 because it's highly refined. And you will be getting some vibrations on RR-310, but the GT-650 is vibration free bike. RR-310 has plenty of features on its instrument cluster, while on GT-650 or Interceptor 650 you have very less features, like it won't be showing any average mileage and distance to empty. The average fuel economy of GT-650 is around 20 km per liter, while on RR-310 it's 30 km per liter. An eye-catchy racing spec with good road presence, then you can go for the RR-310. If you are spending 60 to 70k more than the RR-310, then you will have an option for GT-650 and Interceptor 650. If you want a cruiser mode of bike, then go for the Interceptor 650. And if you love cafe races, then you can go for the GT-650.